Let's picture this. A world where healthcare isn't just limited to hospitals or clinics. Instead, it's everywhere, blended smoothly with the latest technology. Imagine healthcare that's tailored just for you, thanks to AI and data working together. Sounds pretty exciting and sci-fi, right? And guess what? This isn't just some dream. It's actually starting to happen. Welcome to MacThrive, the podcast where I want you to get as much value as possible. During my years of working within the IT world and business applications, especially enterprise resource planning systems, I noticed that this area seemed to be unknown and overwhelming. My goal is to give my listeners an answer to a question: how technology can help to optimize and grow businesses. So dial in if you want to get more understanding how practically Microsoft business applications can help to streamline the processes, be up to date with the cloud-driven technology, and get the insight how each industry can benefit from it. Let's rewind to June 2019. Picture this: in Louisville, Kentucky, something really interesting happened. The city announced a big partnership with Microsoft called the AI Innovation Digital Alliance. And this wasn't just another tech announcement, it was a big deal for local healthcare, bringing in some serious technology to make things better and make data flow seamless. And just a month later, in July, a company called Providence, kind of a big healthcare name, teamed up with Microsoft, and their big idea was to use Microsoft's Azure cloud tech to handle the data better as well. And they've started also to making this vision a possibility to bring up a high-tech hospital near Microsoft headquarters. In that same month, Microsoft went even bigger. They put down a whopping $1 billion into OpenAI. And this wasn't just about healthcare anymore, as we all know today. And this move expanded to focus from healthcare to broader issues like global health and education. By September, things were really moving, because Northwell Health started using Microsoft Teams, making communication for doctors and nurses to be more secure and efficient. And in the same month, Microsoft and AstraZeneca kicked off something called the AI Factory for Health, which was all about supporting startups in healthcare with AI. When October rolled around, they announced partnership with big names like Novartis, Nuance Communications, and Humana. And it was all about AI labs, next-gen healthcare solutions, and moving big chunks of data to the cloud, the Azure cloud, of course. And finally, in September 2020, Microsoft officially launched Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare. And in relatively short time, from those early days in Louisville to this launch, we witnessed a notable series of developments, and what started as partnerships and ideas quickly evolved into an industry-specific technology solution. And why am I sharing this timeline with you? It's super interesting to observe how swiftly and effectively these developments in healthcare technology have been realized. From a handful of announcements in just 5 months to a fully developed technology platform in a year. It's a journey that highlights the evolving intersections of technology and healthcare, and technology with industries as well. Alright, so let's get into what Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare really does. Think of it as a toolbox that helps make patient care and hospital work better. It does a bunch of things like keeping health records organized, making it easier for doctors and nurses to talk to each other, and helping patients to get more involved in their care. So let's break it down into 4 key scenarios Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare focuses on. First one is enhancing patient experiences. So here it's all about connecting and analyzing data to improve how patients experience healthcare. Next one is boosting team collaboration, and by using AI, the platform aims to make healthcare teams more data-driven, streamlining workflows and reducing redundant tasks. The third scenario is empowering the workforce. So it's not just about technology, it's about people, of course. And the aim is to enable clinicians to focus on high-value work through all the tools, digital one, of course, and enhance their productivity. And the fourth scenario that blends it all is maximizing data value. So the focus is on using data effectively, not just for cost savings, but for achieving better health outcomes. And these goals are not picked by an accident, of course. They align with the key findings from various studies and reports. And let's consider the bigger picture for a moment. According to the reports, healthcare organizations today face numerous challenges. Worker burnout is alarmingly common, impacting patient care, increasing medical errors, and contributing to declining workforce. Statistics show that a significant percentage of clinicians experience burnout, and we're looking at a global shortfall of healthcare workers in the coming decade. So, taking all this into account, it's clear there's a lot of work to do in healthcare. Now, let's check what specific tools Microsoft has to help with all this. All right, so let's break it down into the specific technological components. So first one, we have Microsoft Teams enhancements for healthcare. What it means is that Microsoft Teams has been customized for healthcare settings. This includes the integration with electronic health record systems like Epic or Cerner, enabling healthcare providers to schedule and conduct visual visits directly from the EHR system. This integration is crucial for streamlining workflows and reducing the administrative burden on healthcare professionals. The next one, we have Azure HealthBot. And this tool allows healthcare organizations to create AI-powered bots for various applications, such as patient triage and chronic condition management. Azure Healthcare Bot can collect secure and compliant responses directly from patients, which is instrumental in remote patient monitoring and reducing the need for in-person visits. The third tool is patient engagement tools, or rather a group of tools. So Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare offers tools for enhancing patient engagement. So this includes an unified patient view and patient insights within Microsoft Dynamics 365, which help healthcare providers get a comprehensive view of a patient's journey and deliver personalized care. The next tool is something called Remote Care Management Features. So it's built within Microsoft Power Platform, and these features enable healthcare organizations to support hybrid care services. And this includes monitoring patients' vital health data remotely, which is essential for proactive patient care and effective management of chronic conditions. Then we have something called Virtual Health Data Tables, and that's again part of Microsoft Power Platform. And these tables support creation and updating of fast healthcare interoperability resources, something which is called FHIR data. And this feature is a key for healthcare organizations to manage clinical data efficiently and ensure data interoperability. And then we have AI and data analytics capabilities. So Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare integrates AI and analytics to unlock insights from health data. So this means including text analytics for health and Project Health Insight, which then move and provide tools for extracting meaningful information from unstructured data and assisting in clinical trial matching. Speaking about Teams, we have something like Microsoft Teams for frontline workers in healthcare. And here we're talking about new features specifically designed for healthcare frontline workers, aiding in care coordination and reducing clinician burnout. So each of these components plays a specific role in Microsoft's strategy to empower the healthcare industry by enhancing patient care, supporting healthcare workers, and improving operational efficiency through technology. So if you want to get more detailed exploration of these features and their impacts on the healthcare industry, you can go ahead and visit the Microsoft industry blogs where these updates are regularly discussed. So all this sounds nice and shiny, but the real question is if there are real life applications of the Microsoft Cloud for healthcare, and turns out there is, but keep in mind that US market is way more quote-unquote advanced in the usage of this industry cloud comparing to other parts of the world. So the tools that we were talking about were implemented in healthcare facilities in San Diego, New York, and Stanford Healthcare, and they're using and demonstrating the full potential of AI to streamline operations and improve this patient care. The digital tools in Europe are more siloed, but I think it's gonna change. But that's just my assumption. All right, guys, we'll continue the series. We'll focus on another industry cloud in the next episode. For now, thank you for listening and talk to you soon. Bye.